If you are ready to check in your Airpeace flight ticket, just come straight to Airpeace website and do the necessary thing. I'm going to be showing you step by step. Please, if you have not subscribed, hit the subscription button below. Turn on the notification button so you can be getting updates from me. Just click on the check-in, online check-in. Enter your booking details. Your booking details is just what you need here is just your name and your booking reference number. You just bring your ticket. You can bring your ticket now. Look at it. You will see booking reference number and your surname. Enter it. I already have. I just need to enter it and click OK. Allow it to load. Please subscribe. Thank you. When the page load, this is your dashboard. This is your ticket dashboard. You can do a whole lot of things here. You can change your ticket. You can change the ticket details. You can also send your tickets to your email or to another email address. But since we are here to change a ticket, we are here to just check in. The only thing you need to do is just come and select seat. Other things, other thing doesn't really concern you. Just click on select seat. Allow it to load. Please subscribe. Okay, this is the aircraft seat configuration. This is how the airplane looks like. So the seating arrangement is like this. You can see the selected seat, you can see the restricted seat, you can see the available seats, you can see the already seats that are already been occupied. Maybe the other people have already checked in. You can see it, everything is just displayed here. Yeah, you see the emergency exits too. There are some seats you can select, there are some seats you cannot select. Yeah, so yeah, just scroll down, do whatever thing you want to do. You see, you cannot be able to select the restricted seat. If you just click, if you hover on it, you will see it. The cursor is not clickable. You cannot select it. You cannot do. But when you click on the green part now, you can see it's clickable. You can see the mouse. This thing is clickable. So I'm going to select this seat now. I just click on it and allow it to load. Yeah, I've selected it. I just go up again. Yeah, just click next. Like to load. Yeah, if you have any outstanding payment, you need to make the payment before you continue. But look at this one now, it's showing 00, so I don't have anything to pay. The only thing I just need to do is to hit that next. Allow it to load. Please support us by subscribing below, like and share this video. Done. I've checked in, I've selected seat. After selecting seat, the next thing is now to check in. As you can see, the seat number is already displayed. The next thing I just click on check in. Done. That is it. I've selected my seat. As simple as that. I've checked it. As simple as that. So you notice that once you click on that check-in, automatically it will change to boarding pass. So you can do two things here. You can view your boarding pass online. You can send it to the email. You can also print it here. That's just that everything is sent. So I'm going to enter my own email address now. Then yeah, as you can see, then send it. Successful. That's all. This boarding pass will be sent to my email. You can also send this boarding pass to any email address you want. It's just like that, as simple as ABC. You just click it, send the boarding pass again. Yeah, I'm done. This is how to do it. So you just check in yourself online. Thank you. Okay, yeah, this is our official blog. You can come here, sagetravels.com. You can come here to book cheap flight ticket. We used to have a very cheap flight ticket. You can come here to book your cheap flight ticket. You can also read any information that relates to travel and tourism. Thank you for supporting us.